In this video, you'll learn how to delete a specific quote in Blixo in just a few simple steps. You can delete a quote with any status, including draft, open, approved, invoiced, declined, voided, and expired. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. For this demonstration, I'll use a quote from the Open section as an example. Click on the quote ID of the quote you want to delete. This will bring you to the Quote Details page. From the Quote Details page, click the More button and select Delete Quote. A confirmation box will appear. If you want to cancel the process, simply click Cancel or close the box. To delete the quote, click the OK button. Once the quote is deleted, it will no longer appear in the Quotes section. However, it may still exist in the system's database. Let's check it out. Success. The quote has been deleted. Voila! You've successfully deleted a specific quote in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.